The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Who is the greatest of all time? Ma Long or Jan-Ove Waldner?
Good footwork. Still got it. Table tennis is good exercise.
In the world of table tennis, one of the most debated topics is, who is the greatest of all time, GOAT? Today, we delve into this important question by analyzing the achievements and impact of two legends, Ma Long and Jan-Ove Waldner. To determine the GOAT, we must examine the holy trinity of table tennis championships, the World Championships, the World Cup, and the Olympic Games. These tournaments represent the pinnacle of success in the sport.
Yeah, Jan-Ove, I think there's many people online. We're here at the Waldner Cup, and there's a big debate. Who wins in their prime, Jan-Ove Waldner or Ma Long?
Yeah, Ma Long.
Oh, wow. But at your best, though.
Yeah, at your best.
Yeah, but because when I was playing, it's not so much faster the game.
Sellable.
Yeah,
so
the ball
difficult
is
to compare.
different. But Li Wujun was friendly with me one time. He said, Ma Long is the best with the bigger ball and you was the best with the smaller ball.
Yeah,
That's a good.
This is the best I ever heard.
It's
I take direct.
I like it. Yeah. You're happy with this one?
Yeah, very happy. But it's like tennis and this sport. If someone played 20 years ago, play against the player now, it's 6-0, 6-0. You know.
Wow.
The medal records: Ma Long, World Championships, 14 gold medals, World Cup, 10 gold medals, Olympic Games, 6 gold medals, most in table tennis history. Jan-Ove Waldner, World Championships, 6 gold medals, World Cup, 2 gold medals, Olympic Games, 1 gold medal. The raw numbers clearly favor Ma Long. With an unprecedented 6 Olympic golds, 14 World Championship titles, and 10 World Cup titles, Ma Long's dominance is unparalleled in modern table tennis. In contrast, Waldner's medal count may be smaller, but his influence and longevity in the sport tell a different story. Ma Long, the dictator and the dragon, Ma Long, born on October 20th, 1988, is widely regarded as the most decorated player in table tennis history. His record-breaking achievements include holding the world #1 ranking for a total of 64 months, 34 of them consecutively. Ma Long is the only male player to achieve a double career Grand Slam and remains the captain of the Chinese national team since 2014. His nickname, the Dictator, reflects his ability to control games with precision and dominance. Notable achievements: completed his first Grand Slam by winning Olympic singles gold in 2016, defended his Olympic singles title in 2020, cementing his place in history, became the flag bearer for China at the 2024 Paris Olympics, where he secured his 6th Olympic gold. Ma Long's consistency, mental toughness, and adaptability make him the epitome of modern table tennis. His ability to perform under pressure, particularly in team and Olympic settings, solidifies his GOAT claim. Jan-Ove Waldner, the Mozart of table tennis, Jan-Ove Waldner, J.O., born on October 3, 1965, is celebrated as the Mozart of table tennis for his artistry and innovation. A Swedish legend, Waldner was the first non-Chinese player to achieve superstardom in the sport. His finesse, strategy, and ability to read the game revolutionized table tennis in the 1990s. Waldner's influence extended beyond the table as he became a cultural icon in both Sweden and China, where he is affectionately called Lao Wa, Old Wa.
We'll have a 1 minute warm up here. You know what? If you guys want to, it is the Waldner Cup after all. What? Oh, let's talk. I like it. Yeah, Waldner and I just chatted casually. How many no-look shots have you played professionally? 52. Perfect. Wow.
Notable achievements. First male player to complete a career Grand Slam, World Champion, World Cup, and Olympic gold in 1992. Competed in the first 5 Olympic Games after table tennis's inclusion in 1988, showcasing unparalleled longevity. Known for defeating China's strongest players during their peak dominance, Waldner's elegance and creativity remain unmatched. While he has fewer titles than Ma Long, his influence on the sport, especially as a pioneer in Europe, is immeasurable. The impact factor, Ma Long. Ma Long's success epitomizes the Chinese table tennis machine, which emphasizes discipline, technique, and relentless training. His consistency at the highest level has redefined excellence in table tennis. Beyond his titles, Ma Long's ability to lead the Chinese team to victory multiple times demonstrates his role as both a player and a leader. Jan-Ove Waldner. Waldner's impact lies in his ability to transcend cultural and geographical boundaries. He was the first Western player to consistently challenge and defeat Chinese players on their home turf. Waldner's longevity and creativity inspired generations of players worldwide, proving that table tennis could be as much about artistry as it is about power. Conclusion: who is the GOAT? If we consider purely the numbers, Ma Long is the clear winner. His medal record, consistency, and dominance make him the most successful player in table tennis history. However, Jan-Ove Waldner brings a different dimension to the discussion. His influence, charisma, and ability to revolutionize the sport cannot be quantified solely by medals. In conclusion, the title of GOAT might depend on what one values most. If it's about dominance and achievements, Ma Long takes the crown. If it's about artistry, innovation, and influence, Waldner remains unmatched. Both legends have shaped table tennis in unique ways, and the sport is richer for having witnessed their greatness.
That's what happens. I think Truls actually is going to feel that if he does the same diet every day for the next 5 years. Oh, the net here, the backspin. You guys ready? Okay, little drop shot there. This is a battle 2-11. Whoever wins this, according to that sheet of paper, is officially the greatest of all time. Here we go. Ma Long to serve as he gets those socks up and ready. Baldy just twisting them. Here we go. Level 0 serving 1. Ooh, the lawnmowers start pulling so much side spin and Ma Long taking the point. 1-1. Looking for that back edge, still offering a compliment. Yeah, clean it, clean it. Oh, Ma Long will up to, oh man, the generosity, Kai coach. Eye contact, this whole side of the stadium had eye contact. control, serving 3-1. Side topspin, the wraparound. Woo, it's looking good. 3 serving 2. Good footwork. Still got it. Table tennis is good exercise.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.